Go.
It says, in fridge and the TV. It says rules. Says rules. Says hi. He's in the cats. And then Becca. And then Goes. Goes.
Are you looking forward to seeing baby girl again?
Uh-huh.
We're going home today.
Uh-huh.
So you get to see baby girl and be in your crib and watch your tunes
Uh-huh.
and play with your friends.